Welcome to Lesson 3. Now that you understand how frequencies work, it's time to learn something even more important. How to choose the right frequency for your emotional state, spiritual goal, or healing intention. Think of frequencies as tools. Each one is designed for a specific purpose. Determine your condition. Before choosing a frequency, always ask yourself 2 questions. How do I feel right now? Anxious, tired, unbalanced, disconnected, overwhelmed. What do I want to feel? Calm, grounded, inspired, healed, awakened. Frequencies work best when you know exactly what you want to shift. Frequencies for emotions. Here are the most effective frequencies based on emotional states. If you feel anxious, 396 Hz grounds, reduces fear, stabilizes emotional field. If your heart feels heavy, 528 SID repairs emotional wounds, brings comfort and hope. If you feel disconnected from others, 639 SIDs improves communication and harmonizes relationships. If your mind is overactive, 432 calms the nervous system and creates mental clarity. Frequencies for spiritual intentions. If your intention is more spiritual, choose frequencies based on purpose. For awakening intuition, 852 Hz for spiritual alignment, 777 Hz for deep inner transformation, 741 Hz for connection with higher consciousness, 963 Hz for manifestation and expansion, 888 Hz for emotional rebirth, 528 Hz. Each frequency acts like a different door you choose to open. What are these frequencies not suitable for? This is also important. Healing frequencies do not replace medication. Do not block thoughts instantly. Do not force emotions to disappear. They gently guide your inner state, but the journey is always yours. How often should I listen? To receive the best results. Daily or at least 4 times a week, 10 to 20 minutes is enough. Use headphones for deep effect night. Listening is safe, 1 frequency per session, more powerful. Consistency makes the energy shift stronger. Conclusion. Now you know how to choose the right frequency for your intention. In the next lesson, you will learn how to combine frequencies and use them together without overwhelming your energy field. Take a deep breath. Listen to what your heart needs. And I'll meet you in Lesson 4.